So good evening everyone. Tonight I'm going to perform activity EPLAN1A. Position lines and position circles. So the exercise equipment needed is table, parallel ruler protractor, triangles, technical compass, and here is it, my chart number 1, and pencil and eraser. So the exercise scenario description is at 0900 hours, 3 ships were at the vicinity of Catanduanes with their respective coordinates. So let's start with the ship 1. 13 degrees 35 north, 124 degrees 30 minutes east. We have to get this 35 minutes, its latitude. Have to and 30 minutes longitude. So this is our line of position. We have to encircle this and to get the bearing of Kalapadan Bay, we have to drag this into our compass rose. So the bearing is at 298 degrees. 298 degrees. Have to 298 degrees. And to get the distance, in Kalapadan Bay, you have to measure this, your position, your line of position and its lighthouse, and you have to bring it to the latitude scale. So approximately in 9 nautical miles, we have to 9 nautical miles. Second one is to get the bearing of Nagumbuaya Point. we have to drag this into our compass rose. Approximate, it is 258 degrees. So 258 degrees. And its distance, we have to get its distance. Same as Kalapadan Bay. You have to bring it to your latitude scale. The distance is approximately 10 degrees. 10 nautical miles. 10 nautical miles. And ship 2. 13 degrees 25 minutes north, 124 degrees 05 minutes east. We have to take its latitude 25 minutes. So the 25 is 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is it. You have to draw a line, pack, and the longitude is 05 east. 05. You have to draw a line, and there is it, our line of position. You have to encircle this one. And to get and you have to draw a line into your line of position and into Virac Point Lighthouse, Virac Point Lighthouse, and San Andres Lighthouse. To get the bearing, same as ship number 1, you have to drag this to your compass rose. So, approximately 004 degrees. So, 004 degrees. To get this distance of San Andres, you have to get its distance from to your ship of position to lighthouse of San Andres. We have to bring this to our latitude scale. We have approximately 11 nautical miles. 11 nautical miles. So, the Virac Point, we have to bring this to our Virac Point compass rose. Approximately 48 degrees. So, to get the distance, same as usual, we have to bring it to your latitude scale. Approximately 10 nautical miles. 10 nautical miles. So we have to proceed to our ship 3. Is 05 minutes north, 124 degrees, 20 minutes east. We have to get its latitude and longitude. So 5 minutes, so here is it, 10 degrees, so minus 5 equals 5 degrees. Or there, here is it, here. To get its you have to expect that the longitude is 124, so 20 minutes, I mean, where is it? You have to draw a line here so that easy to get the longitude. 20 minutes. You have to draw a line here. So here is it, our line of position for ship number 3. You have to encircle this one. And you have to draw a line to your ship into Ungay Point. Ungay Point Lighthouse. So, to get the bearing of Ungay Point Lighthouse is, as usual, you have to drag it to your compass rose. So, it's approximately is 313 degrees bearing. 313 degrees bearing. To get its distance, you have to measure it from your ship to Ungay Point Lighthouse. So we have 9 nautical miles. So, Prieto Diaz Lighthouse. Connect it. You draw a line from your ship to Puerto Diaz. And take its bearing, same as usual. $251 degrees. So 251 degrees. To get its distance, you measure the line from your ship to Puerto Diaz and bring it to your latitude scale. Puerto Diaz Lighthouse. Approximate 8 nautical miles. You have to write it here, 8 nautical miles. So again, if you are done, so this is done already, and we have to your performance criteria. Calapadan Bay Lighthouse, 298 degrees, and its distance is 9 nautical miles. So you have to check done. Nagumbuaya Point, bearing 259 degrees, distance nautical miles. You have to check done. Here is it, Nagumbuaya Point. And ship 2, here is it, our ship 2. San Andres Lighthouse. San Andres Lighthouse is approximately 004 degrees, the bearing, and its distance is 11 nautical miles. So you have to check done. Virac Point. So its bearing is 48 degrees, distance 10 nautical miles. Ship 3 is Ungay Point. Ungay Point, here is it, our Ungay Point. Here, there. And our bearing is 313 degrees, and the distance is 9 nautical miles. Prieto Diaz Lighthouse. So our bearing for Prieto Diaz Lighthouse is 251 degrees, and distance is 8 nautical miles. Distance 8 nautical miles. So if you are done of getting the bearing, getting the distance, and easy to check the all done here, and you can submit to your teacher. Okay, that's enough. Thank you for your preparation.